This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set a custom home page in the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To set a custom home page in the Waterfox browser, if you look off to the upper left hand corner up here, you can see I have a little icon of a house up here. That is my home button. If you don't see yours up in this area, I'll put a link down in the description on how to add your home button, but by default it should be there. I have mine set to take me to google.com, but you could set it to take you anywhere you want. If I click on my home button, it takes me to the website I have it linked to. The way to do this, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Home. Then on the center pane, right up here, you can see I have mine set to custom URLs, but if I click this drop down, yours was probably set to Waterfox Home Default. You want to set it to custom URLs. Click on that one. And then right down below there, you will paste in the URL of the website that you want to link your home button to. As you can see, I have mine linked to google.com, but you can link it to any website. And that's it. That is how to customize your home page on the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.